gonna take it for a test run. She already sounds quieter.
I can't open my window.
What we do know is that the manifolds are cracked, so that it is kind of loud.
Oh, it's a lot better.
Way better.
No, that's a lot better because usually when I pull out of the driveway and hit the gas, it's like,
Yeah, that's a lot better. That's manageable for now until we buy a new pipe.
wow, guys, I can even hear myself talk. Usually it's so loud, you can't even hear your own thoughts.
And that tape is supposed to shrink.
Got a nice Pioneer stereo in here too. Gotta do some speaker
And
work.
it's actually idling again. That's good.
Wow, it smells different too.
Yeah, you can smell that tape. It's starting to melt.
How is it, Allie? Is it quieter?
Yeah.
A lot better.
It's still stinky though.
Still smells like gas, which I like that smell.
Yeah.
That's great.
Where are we going?
We're just gonna go for a little ride.
Where?
Wanna say hi?
Hi.
We're just letting that exhaust get nice and hot and melt that tape.
There's Kenny. Got a nice old-fashioned little horn in here.
Where are we driving?
We're just driving
Just
down the
road.
street.
I'm just letting that fix get hot that I batched.
Because there's a hole in the muffler, that's why the Jeep was so loud, but Daddy
The
patched
hole in the
it.
exhaust pipe.
Yeah, the exhaust pipe, and Daddy fixed it, so now the Jeep's quieter.
I was sitting on my seatbelt.
But it's definitely way quieter.
It's okay, we're on a back road.
Hopefully that tape starts to shrink. But now you can barely hear it when we're driving. Before it'd be like, "Argh!" So much better.
There's a lot of things we have to update in this Jeep. The speakers, windshield wiper.
It's a work in progress, that's for sure.
Hey, but she runs.
Daddy Long Legs gets to ride.
Oh, crawl up under the thing. Then we got Allie's little drawings here.
Yeah. For the pipe being almost broken in half, I think that was
This is what the
acceptable.
inside of it looks like.
1988 Jeep Cherokee. 4 liters. You can't
That's-
kill 'em. I gotta put a floor in it.
That's our little concoction that we use to get the window down.
Wow, it's getting quieter the more we drive. Alright. Come here, little buddy.
I honestly liked it loud.
No, it didn't have any
But-
back pressure. It's not good for your valves. Oh, there's a flattened snake. I think
Where?
he's still alive. That sucks.
Oh, let me try to help him.
He's crushed.
Well, he might be able to snag.
He's right outside the window. Is he alive? He's dead? Oh, that's good. Alright. Yeah, now she's sitting here purring like a kitten. Much quieter. If you watch the first video, you can see how loud it was.
Wow, even when you put it in